Something funny has happened again in the universe. This time, the main characters are two black holes putting on a dramatic merger, but things went hilariously wrong. Here's what happened. Two black holes started a merger game deep in the universe, but after merging, the new black hole not only failed to stay put, it actually got flung away at a speed of 2,800 kilometers per second, almost 1% the speed of light. This wasn't just any ordinary flight, it was a wild dash carrying immense energy. According to scientists' calculations, the energy released in this instant was equivalent to the explosive power of 10 to the 27th power tons of TNT. What does that even mean? Simply put, that's enough energy to make 300 billion of the largest hydrogen bombs in human history, the Tsar Bombas, detonate all at once. Just imagining this scene is both hilarious and terrifying. What's even more jaw-dropping is that the unlucky black hole that got blasted away had a mass equivalent to 23 suns combined. And its predecessors, the two black holes that merged, were no slouches either. One had a mass 14 times that of the Sun, and the other 9 times. Normally, a black hole merger of this scale should be a cosmic spectacle, but because the angles during the merger were off and the gravitational recoil was too strong, the new black hole was directly flung away. Who would have ever thought that black holes could actually be this funny? This remarkable event took place back in the year 2020, when humans successfully captured this cosmic comedy with highly advanced detectors. Although it may sound comical, the scientific significance behind this discovery is actually quite profound. It not only showed us the complexity of black hole mergers, but also revealed the immense power of gravitational waves in the universe. You could say that this event not only overturned our understanding, but also gave us a deeper insight into the mysteries of the universe. In short, the humor of the universe is never just a simple joke. It's always full of awe and inspiration. So next time you hear news about black hole mergers, don't just treat it as a joke. It might just be another cosmic level spectacle.